Se akobembo a ene ehu bema. Se akobembo a ene ehu bema. It is at the sound of the war horn that we see the real man you are. At the sound of the whole war horn, that is where we see the type of man that you are. If you are a farmer, at the end of the season, that is where we see the kind of farmer that you are. If you are a security personnel, at the end of the day, that's where we see the type of security that you give to the people. If you are a nurse, at the end of the day, and the services that you rendered to your clients will decide the type of nurse that you are. If you are a pastor, at a time of crisis, at a time of conflict, at a time of sorrow, at a time of calamity in some families, that is where we see the type of pastor, the type of Christian that you are. If you are a politician, at the end of your term, will decide whether you were a good politician or a bad politician. So, when the war horn blows, that is where we see the man in you. That is where we see the Christian that you are. That is when we see the professional person that you are. At the blow of the war horn, that is where we see the wife that you are. That is where we see the husband that you are. The qualities. That's where we see your qualities. If you are a soldier, at the blow of the war horn, that is where you will see your type of soldier. So, I will keep on advising that whatever we are doing, a time will come where we will account for our deeds